Hello and welcome to Crescent Studios. In this video, I am going to explain how to make a simple UI in Python. First of all, let me clarify that to make a UI in Python, we need to import some packages. And to import some packages, we need to install a package manager to install the packages in Python. So, first of all, we need to install pip. What is pip? Pip is a package manager of Python that we can use to install libraries and modules and packages in Python. So let's install the pip. So from this website you can download one of these two files. Any of these files will work, and then you will have to open the folder in which you downloaded this file. Then you need to open the command prompt in this path. Now in command prompt you have to check if you have already installed the pip, or if you have not, then you have to install it. If you are using Python 3.4 or above, then pip is installed in your IDE by default. But if you are using Python 3.4 or less, then you have to install it. But in both the cases, you have to use a single command, that is pip install pip. And when you press enter, then if you have already installed the Python, it will say requirement is already satisfied, which means you have already installed Python on your PC. But if you have not installed it on your PC, then it will start installing it, and once installed it will notify you. Now let's check what version of pip have you installed on your PC. You can check this by using this command pip /version. It will show you the version of pip that you have installed. So once you have installed pip, now we need to install the package that we need to implement the simple user interface in Python. So to install this package, we need to write a command, that is pip install PySimpleGUI. Now it says that I have already installed this package, but if you haven't installed this package, it will start installing this on your PC, and once it is finished it will notify you. So that's it for the installation. Now let's move forward to writing the code. Here you can see, first of all, I have imported the package that we just installed, and here I am using the object of this package to open the window. The title of the window will be hello world. The layout will be a simple rectangular form, and the margin is the dimensions of the window that will open. This read function will open this window. Let's run the code and see if the window is open. Here you can see a window is opened, seeing hello world as a title, and the window itself is empty because we haven't specified any layout. But if you close this window and comment out this first line of code and uncomment this chunk of code below, and now if we run the code, you can see a window is opened that says the title is demo, and a text and a button appears on the window. Now how this happened? This happened because we defined a variable layout, and in this layout we use the object of the package, and then by using this text function we are displaying a text on the window, and by using this button function we are making a button and displaying this text on the button. Then after that we are making a variable of window and creating a window with the title and the layout, including the margins of the window. Then we are using a while loop to capture the events from the window. So in the first line we have defined an event variable, and then we are reading from the window and saving that in the values variable. And then in this if condition we are capturing the events. So if we press the button, that is OK, or if we exit the window by pressing the close button, then we will break from this while loop and we will close the window. So basically in this while loop we are capturing the two events, that if we press the button or exit the window by using the close button, then we should exit this loop using break, and at the end we will close the window. So let's see if this works. Here if I press OK button, you see the window is closed, and if we run the code again, the window is open again, and if we press the close button, the window is closed again. So these are some basic concepts of how to make the user interface in Python. First of all, we installed pip, then we installed the PySimpleGUI package and implemented a small code to make a simple user interface. And in the next video, I will explain how to make your own image viewer in Python. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.